Today I will make a simple wafer paper fantasy flower, and then I will use that flower to decorate a simple cake, and then you will see how beautiful that cake will turn out to be. Hi guys, I am Trupti and you are watching Trupti's Tasty Susan Cakes. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the flower. Take a plain paper and draw two petals, one bigger than the other. It's shown in the picture. It's a fantasy flower, so it's okay if it is not perfect. Now take a wafer paper and place on the template, and we will draw on the wafer paper. We need 5 bigger petals and 5 smaller petals. Now cut those petals around the marking. These are my bigger petals. Now I will cut the smaller ones. Now we will take a cookie cutter or a cap of a bottle and place on the wafer paper and cut around the marking. So now we have 5 bigger petals, 5 smaller petals and 1 circle. Let's assemble the flower. Now take a petal and give a small slit on the pointed side as shown in the clip. And we will have to continue with all the petals, both bigger and smaller. After cutting all the petals, let's take one petal and apply some water on one side of the slit and stick by overlapping it as shown in the picture. Continue to stick like this on all the 10 petals, both smaller one and the bigger one. There are several ways of making fantasy flowers. This is my way of making. If you are still watching this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and family, consider subscribing to my channel if you are new, and press that red bell icon. Circle wafer paper. It will act as a base for my flower, and stick as shown in the clip. Apply some water to the base of the curved surface of the petal and stick by overlapping one petal on other. We will start with the bigger petal covering the outside of the flower. We'll place the smaller one inside. In between, just give shape to the flower. Now stick the smaller one. It should come in between two bigger petals. This also you have to place by overlapping on each other as you see on real flower. Just lightly squeeze with your palm and give a round shape to your flower. Now our flower is partially ready. Let's decorate it little more. Take some gold luster dust mixed with lemon extract and paint on the edges of the petals. Now take a small piece of fondant, give it a round shape and stick at the center of the flower. Apply some water on it and sprinkle some golden sugar balls. Remove the extra one and press again with your palm and give a beautiful shape to your flower. Isn't it simple and beautiful? It will make your cake looks more gorgeous. I hope you like this video. Show some love by pressing that like button. Consider subscribing it. If you are new to my channel, press that red bell icon. Until we meet, bye. Thanks for watching.